It's time for y'all to learn how to do the progressive budgeting. And so I have taken everything and put it into this first budget except for the baby steps. And so we have this thing here where it says you're going to budget exactly 100. Well, first we're going to do this balance. Okay, so with the debts, what you do only in January, you're going to see over here that it says beginning balance. You put your 8,000 here and your 5,000 there. Okay, and then for minimum payment, that's your monthly payment. For your 8,000 one, I think it's 125, and for your 5,000, it's 60. So you do 125. That is a necessity, and then 60, and that is a necessity. Now, when you get to baby step 2, your pay downs are not necessities; those are discretionary. But your 125 and your 60, those minimum payments, if you don't make those payments, then they're going to come after you and be like, dude, where's my money? And you might have your kneecap broken and stuff like that by Visa, so that's a necessity. You don't want to have your kneecap broken. Also, I'm going to note that I put $100 in entertainment and I called it discretionary because I told you guys on the sheet, highlighted it in yellow just in case. $100 for things that are not necessities. Some people put them in other categories. Some people split $100 over 4 categories. That's fine. Don't do more than $100. The idea is that we all wind up with the same number at the end. Okay, so your income should be $2,812.50. Okay, in February it should be $3,112.50 because you add 300. In March, it should be $2,812.50 again. In April, let's see, he gets an extra 500. So in April, it's $33,12.50. In May, it's $31,12.50. And then in June, he has $56,000. Just in case you're not sure what to do with that, you would take $56,000 times 0.25 and get that $14,000. Take $56,000 minus that, and then take that divided by 12. So it's $3,500, not $35,000, $3,500. Okay, so I've put in all the incomes now, and we just have to do the budgets and the baby steps. So here in January, we have $357.50. Now, just in case you want to make your life easier, before I even bother with this, I want to show you a little trick. You have to do this exactly like I do it. If you go to cell A10, and then you can highlight by hitting Shift, and then using the arrows while you're holding Shift. Okay, this is super important. You go down to cell 44, and you have to stop at V. These cells here, these are formula cells, and if you copy and paste them, it will mess everything up. Like, it will cause the end of the world as we know it. Okay, so you're going to copy this, and you can go to February. You have to click on A10, and then you can hit Control V for paste. You can go to March, Control V, April, Control V, May, Control V, and June, Control V. And if you're like, wait, Miller, I can't do it that quickly, that's why you have a pause button. Of course you can't do it that quickly. I'm amazing. Okay, so now you look through the baby steps, and in this case we have 0 in savings, so we put all of our money until we get to $1,000. So that would be $357.50 in savings, and that is discretionary. You've now finished January. I'm going to pick up from here on the next video.